sitwasyon sa Senado ngayon, kung totoo nga na nagkaroon na ng session at yun nga yung balita at nagkaroon ng eleksyon ng panibagong liderato at nailik nga raw si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Ano ang basihan nito? Maliwanag kasi ang provision po ng saligang batas under Article 6, Section 16 na the Senate and the House of Representatives can elect its leaders by a majority of all its members. Importante yung salitang all. No? Ayan ang provision ng Section 16 Article 6 ng ating saligang batas. So, pag sinabi mong all its members, there are 24 members. Majority of all its members, 13. Absolute majority ang tawag natin dyan. Sa determination of quorum, iba rin pong provision yan. Yung susunod na paragraph, nakalagay dyan that each house may by a majority of each members can conduct business for purposes of its day-to-day operations. So yung determination of quorum will only require majority of the members, meaning to say who are here in the Philippines.